Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to make a fluffy slime. These are the ingredients and tools that we need. Spoon, plate. We can also use a bowl, glue, food color, glitters optional, powdered borax. We will mix it with water. Mamaya. Shaving foam and water. First step, pour the glue on your plate. Good. Second step, add the food color. Oh my God, nilagay ko dito kasi muntik na tumapon. Yan, tapos na. Naging pink na siya! Step 3, add the glitters. Oh my God, first time ko. Inaway ka. Sige, itatodo ko. Ang dami. Kaya ayaw ko itodo. Oh, magiging silver color siya. Next step, we're going to add the shaving foam to make our slime fluffy. Super fluffy nito. Then we're going to mix it. Oh God. Hindi pala napasama. Last step. Ang ingay sa labas. Last step, I'm going to mix the powdered borax with water. Ito na yung magiging activator natin. Lalagyan ko siya ng hole sa gitna para hindi tumapon. Isang kamay mo yung kukunin. So, I'm putting more. That's weird. It's so fluffy! Clean ko lang. glitters na lang yung plate. Kitang-kita yung glitters! Parang poop! Ah! Kung naging hard po yung slime nyo, mag-add lang po kayo ng glue and shaving foam. At kung gusto nyo naman po, mas bright ang color ng slime nyo, mag-add lang po kayo ng food color. As you can see, mas naging malambot and mas bright yung color ng slime ko. I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung video ko for today. And don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell para lagi kayong notified sa bago naming upload. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up! Bye! Thank you for watching!